guys, welcome back to Natara Space. I am Natara, and as you can see in this video, it is not me that's doing the cleaning. It is my husband, you guys. For the past week, we have been decluttering our home, and this has been the landing pile of everything that we have been going through. It was way much more than this stuff in here, but you guys, he's going to get in here and get this stuff all cleaned out. He's going to throw away the things that we are not keeping, and the things that we are keeping, he's going to put it in it. He's going to put it in this proper place, you guys. We have like bed clothes, we have just stuff that we have had for a while and that we needed to declutter. So yeah, you guys, that's what he's doing here, and he's going to get in here and get it all done, you guys. I hope and pray that this video is very motivating, and I also hope that it helps you to get some things done around your home, you guys. So just sit back and relax, or get up and clean up with him. And I'm not going to be speaking during this video, you guys. It's going to be self-explanatory. He's just going to be going through this stuff and putting it away and getting this dining room back in order. So yeah, you guys, please stick around to the end so that you can see all of the after shots.
Putting you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Hold on now, seven. Hold on now, honey. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, seven, give me love, love. Hold on now, seven. Hold on now, honey. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, seven, give me love, love. Hold on now, seven. Hold on now, honey. Yeah. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, seven, give me love, love. Hold on now, seven. Hold on now, honey. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, seven, give me love, love. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego,
small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Oh, nah, nah, nah. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, nah, nah. We ain't got the time.
Okay, you guys, here is the after shot. My husband really got in here and did his thing. He did an amazing job, as he always does. For the ones who don't see him in these videos, yeah, you guys, he does clean and he does it well. Also, you're gonna see him right here. He was thinking about staining this little bar area that he had made over there for me, and I really do appreciate him for doing these projects around the house. Yeah, you guys, I hope that this video is very motivating and help you to get some things done around your home. Also, you guys, please don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and also turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time we upload. And I will see you guys soon. Thank you again. Bye, guys.